This is an amazing guitar course. I've taken other classes online, but they just didn't work for me. They didn't stick. The teacher wasn't engaging or the material wasn't presented in the right way. But Jeff has been playing guitar for decades, and he's a master. And he's not only a master at playing, but also a master at teaching. And being a master teacher includes making it interesting and keeping you engaged and giving you the right amount at the right time. So if you're just learning to play the guitar as I am, and I'm going through this course also, I'm totally confident that you're going to love this class. It's an amazing class. I'm loving it. Other students in it are loving it. And I know that when you get in it, chances are really high that you're going to love it too. So we have a satisfaction guarantee on this course. I'm the founder of this learning platform, Greater Commons. And you have nothing to lose and everything to win by taking this class. There's a money-back guarantee. So if you, for some reason, realize, hey, I really just want to learn better, I learn better with a teacher in person, that's great. We'll give you your money back. You have nothing to lose by taking this class. But most importantly, this is an amazing class, and I know you're going to enjoy it when you get in and start taking it yourself. So click that buy button. Come join us in the class. Or if you're not quite ready to buy it yet, watch some of the other videos on this page. And then once you've watched those other videos, click that buy button and come join us in the class, because I know you're going to love it. I know you're going to have a great time learning how to play guitar from Jeff. And I'll say this one last thing, that having the right teacher is incredibly important. Like if you have the wrong teacher, that could frustrate you and discourage you and make things difficult and confuse you, and then you'll just give up. But if you have the right teacher can make everything clear. The right teacher can guide you and help you take the steps that you need to take so that you could get to where you want to be. And for me, Jeff is an incredibly gifted teacher, and I know that you're going to enjoy his course and enjoy him. And I feel so confident about that. We have a satisfaction guarantee on this course. So click that buy button, come join us, and we look forward to seeing you in class and having fun with you while you learn with me from Jeff how to play guitar.